906.
You set in a case for Webster in the section contract 3(1) of the BNS Act was subsequently charged of the under section KP of the BNS. As per the allegations in the first police report, the informant is the father of the deceased. He has made allegation that marriage of the deceased was solemnized in the year 2030. She gave birth to a male child and subsequent thereafter is arrested.
What was the date of birth? The date of marriage?
Date of marriage is said to be in the month of July. Exact date has not been noted. Yes.
Do you know?
भैया
Do you know?
केवल 2022
2000.
month
What is the date of birth?
death of the killed on the date of registration of FIR the 27 month 2025.
27 1 20. Where did she die?
She died.
You are the husband.
And
The trial is on.
yes.
The trial is on.
No.
This is our exam.
Only 3 charges witness out of 11 have been examined after Frederico.
So recent case.
Yes, recent case, 3 witnesses examined, all the 3 turned hostile, including the brother, maternal brother of the deceased. As per the allegations brought in the first information.
इन husband को केस
Not as a
घर में मैट्रिमोनियल होम में the lady dies within 7 years, not a case for death. In trial आपका इसकी death. सारे 11 witnesses examined करवा. We'll get it done. We'll get it done. BA number 2381 of net. Further learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner. The petitioner is the husband of the deceased. During the course of argument, it transpired that the marriage of the petitioner was solemnized with the victim in the month of June 2022, and she died out of unnatural death in her matrimonial home on 27/1/2025. Also, for the petitioner has submitted that though trial is on, but 3 witnesses out of 11 have been examined 39/1/2026. इसके बाद कोई witness नहीं आया. So far as examination of further witness after 9/1/2026 is concerned, the counsel is not available. Considering the serious nature of allegation, this court is not inclined to enlarge the petition on bail. However, the state is identical to properly produce the witnesses to the fact. Rejected. Communicate. आप ही state के तरफ से the counsel for the state is directed to communicate this order to the director prosecutor under superintending the police the concerned district. Since the counsel for the state is absent, let this order be communicated to the office of Learned Advocate League in pro compliance or communicate. नहीं वो टीम लिबर्टी आपके पास रोज है बेपाई
नहीं
देखिए I tell you one in those cases where there is a direction for production of the cases, then I will call upon the SP. I call upon the entire order sheet. I call upon the SP as to why the order has not been complied, and he will see what is told.